Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Our ongoing development of the sale order entry form is in progress, and until now we have shown you how you can design the form. The form is made up of different controls, and some are edit control, the text control, some are drop downs, right? And some drop downs are populated and some need to be populated, right? So, and and each control has some event at the background. Sometimes you trigger the change event, sometimes you trigger the update before update events, right? There are so many other events available, and the next is in the entry or edit mode. If you are entering a form, you have the forms initialize for initialize event, which is for all the forms, means any form does have an initialize event. As that means as soon as you call a form, you want certain things to be executed automatically. As soon as you say the form, show this form, when the computer receives your command, show this form, the first thing it does is to look for the events which are initialized event. For example, your form is this, right? And this is your array. So each form, what is to be done at the time of opening, showing it. So you will go and go to view code. In the view code, you will have user form initialized. Here, whatever you write, these have to be performed. These are things which which have to be executed and before the form is shown, right? So, for example, you may want certain fields of the form. For example, these are the certain controls of the form. They show some default data in it, right? You want salesperson to be loaded into this combo box, salesperson, right? So in the initialize form, yeah, when you click on the view code, yeah, you click the view code initializing, you can see that the salesperson are being loaded into the SP for the salesperson, right? So it is going to the admin sheet and loading all the names into where? Into the salesperson.txt. What is salesperson? Salesperson is the drop down. Okay, so this is placed in the initialize event of the form, right? So we have also learned that there are certain other controls which you can use, drop down. So this, if a change occurs, if a change occurs in the sale order, in the salesperson, right? So there may be certain things which you want to be done. For example, you want the customer uh, per, pertaining to the particular salesperson should be populated in it, so that only the concerned customers concerned related to the selected salesperson are shown in here, so that he cannot. That is the way of restricting a salesperson to a certain number of the customers only, right? There can be so many. I'm just giving you an example. And you can have multi-tab information within the form. So this control gives you the ability to add multiple pages in there. So we have used 3 pages. One is the order detail. The other is the shipment, and the third is for payment. Can be more. You can use it. So that economize. This is the space economy. So same is can have multi-folds space extension you can have by using multiple tabs, right? Also in the you can have certain buttons. For example, you want the cancel button or update button, right? So you can create it. If you want to write, as soon as the user clicks on the update, what needs to be done, well, you will double click on it, you will go to the view code, and whatever you are going to write in here, so as soon as the update, the computer will follow these instructions. At the moment, it is blank. Okay, fair enough. That's it. Now, let's do a sort of recap of what we have done so far. We have initialized this one. We have made all the necessary programming for a new. So all in the end, once it finalized, then we can proceed to the update. Okay. So in the middle also we can do that. It means that's no problem. It's your preference how you prefer. Okay. So it is the wise idea is that once a certain task is complete, then you proceed to the other. Otherwise, it would be difficult for you to manage the things, right? So when you are entering a new form, a new order for a certain customer, you got this number automatically. All you need to do is go to to select the salesperson who is entering, and select the customer for which customer you are entering, and then start entering the items which are being ordered by the respective customer. So as soon as you click here, it allows you to enter multiple products. So a customer can have unlimited number of products he can offer. Okay. Further complex scenarios, you can restrict the products as well. If you don't want certain products to be reflected or to be ordered by a certain customer, so in the change event of this, it will make sure, the system will make sure that only those items are displayed in this which are relevant, and all the other which are not relevant, they are not, since they are not listed, these are not part of this drop down, so no chance of any erroneous data entry. So this way you can control the errors, the possible errors from the root level, right? So only the the items in which we deal with this customer, they are going to be shown here, and the unrelevant items which are not related to they can be excluded. So we have kept it very simple. So we assuming that all the salesperson can enter the order for all the customers, and for all the customers can order all the items. Okay. But what I'm telling you is that you can have a different further complexity, you can bring it. And the rule of thumb is the simple, that you go to the change event of that control and start writing the code and see. So it's very easy. Okay. Similarly, you can add the entries. You can say the quantities. Say 2 4 items. Okay. This thing, for example, needed by the customer 60 pieces and 45 pieces of this. Fair enough. So this is the unit price. Okay. And if you want to give some distance, if some discounts are here, this is, if you want $5 discount here, so this will become to 35 automatically, right? If you want to give $10 discount here, so this will be 1,310. If you want to give $5 in here, well, that's right. Okay. So this is working perfectly. And so in the next coming videos, we will further work on the edit mode, right? When you edit, so you are not entering the data directly into the form. Actually, you are taking the data from the already entered data which are available in the form. Okay. So look forward to your participation in our next videos. Thank you very much.